welcome friends. Thanks for coming back to my channel and welcome for those that are viewing for the first time. My name is Sade and on this channel I share DIY projects that I am working on at home. So we purchased this house last year and have been tackling a lot of projects on our own. So if you like these kinds of videos, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button and let's get into today's video. So I'm excited to share with you guys a quick DIY project I completed a couple weeks ago, but I haven't had the chance to edit and upload. So this is our French doors that I'm going to be painting today. So I came across this product called Mask and Peel Liquid Masking Tape by Jasco. I found it in Lowe's. So I'm going to be using this instead of painter's tape. But unfortunately, I still have to tape around the door frame, but that's not too bad. By the way, let's ignore my boob light. I know, I don't like it. I don't know why they have to put it in pretty much every house. Well, they're $13 in Home Depot. I looked at the price the other day just to see why. But yeah, I'm working on changing that light as well. Just have to find a perfect one. All right, so this is the masking tape. So instead of using the painter's tape, we'll be using this on the glass. So before I apply this mask and peel, I'm gonna be cleaning it first. It's filled with fingerprints. So yeah, we're gonna clean it first, do the mask and peel, and then start painting. I knew I wanted to paint this door, but this day I just woke up and I'm like, I'm gonna paint the French doors. Didn't even plan it, but I knew I wanted to paint it the same color as the front doors because I had recently painted the front doors probably like 2 months or so, maybe longer than that. So every time I look at the front door, I'm like, yes, I need to paint this French door too. So yeah, I'm using a paintbrush to apply a thick coat on the glass. You can also add this to the trims as well because the liquid masking tape is also a primer, which is great. The directions say to wait until it turns from white to clear when dry. So it takes probably about 30 minutes, but I left it on for like about 2 hours because I was doing something else. So it worked out. Thought I was getting away from taping, but yeah, at least this wasn't so bad. My husband actually thought I should have taped the doors like in the glass. I'm like, no, anybody got time for that? Damn, I can't even open this. Can you open? Never mind, I got it. He didn't even look. Like he was so focused on taping. He didn't even look. I don't even know why I asked for help and continued to do things on my own. So weird. So just in case you're wondering what I'm doing here, I am painting the existing color of my wall along the edge of the tape before I start painting because I'm going to be painting the doors black. Then if I have any bleed through, it's the same color as the wall. This way I get a perfect line when I remove my tape. So yeah, right here I made a mistake and painted this side of the wall with the same white paint I use on the other side, and then later on down in the video I realized, uh-oh, well, this is not the same color. You'll see. So it's been about 2 hours since I finished with this masking thing. I can't even remember the name of it. Mask and peel. Liquid masking. But yeah, it's been almost 2 hours and this is what it looks like. It looks like clear liquid stain. The trims already taped that off. I have this wall to touch up and I keep forgetting. And this is a different color. This is Silver Drop by Beer. So damn, There we go. I messed up. I put white here, but it's really not supposed to be white. It's supposed to be silver drop. Because I did that side and I put the white paint on, I thought this I'm such a mad person. All right, so this is the paint that I'm going to use. This is by Beers. This is in the color Limousine Leather. This is the same paint that I used to paint the front door. So I have a little bit left in here. It's probably up to here. I'm hoping that it will do this door so I don't have to run out and get any more paint. So wish me luck. You know me. Should I pour it out? What's the difference? No, I'm not. I'm just gonna be painting from this can. Oh well. I can actually go ahead and start painting this. So let's do that. So I ordered these 12-inch poles off Amazon. It's originally meant to go on a barn door, I guess. And I was looking for a brass finish, but I couldn't find that. So I said, let me just purchase this, see how it looks in person, then we can go from there. So here it is. Okay. Ooh, I didn't know that's what it looks like. This is really nice. But I don't know if I want it to be black. This is so nice. Awesome. And it feels so heavy. This is actually really nice. All right. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it. I use a box cutter and scored a line around each window pane and peel off the mask. This was very, what's the word? Very satisfying. Look at that. How amazing is that? Flipper. I honestly saved so much time by cutting out tape to put on the glass. Oh my gosh, you don't understand. By using this Jasco mask and pee liquid masking tape and primer, what a mouthful. This saved so much time, and the peeling off process is really fun. And I just love trying new things. So I'm for sure going to be using this mask and peel again. I think I'm going to be using it in the sunroom, on the sunroom windows. So yeah, I'll definitely buy this again. And here's my handy helper putting on my new door pulls, even though he thought that it would have been much easier to tape the glass. I'm like, you are crazy. Do you see how easy this is now? But now he actually think it's better. Again, ignore my boob light. We can't say it. Boob light where? All right, guys, as this video is coming to an end, I hope you guys enjoyed watching so far. I hope I didn't confuse you by adding in my voiceovers on top of me talking while I was doing the video. But anyway, this is the end of this video, and here is the reveal. Oh my gosh, isn't it beautiful? Don't mind the boob light, don't mind the carpet. After all that is changed, I am sure this space is gonna just look so amazing, and I can't wait for that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And look out for my next video that's coming. I'm going to be doing my kitchen cabinets. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. So look out for that. That will be coming up pretty soon. I'm trying to do better as far as like posting more often and being more consistent, but with life it's kind of a challenge. But yes, anyway guys, stay tuned. See you in the next one. Have an awesome rest of the day. Thank you all for watching.